If you would like to know how I made this clove tea, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making the most basic hair growth spray using cloves. This is because it contains compounds that benefit the scalp and our hair, and you can use this on a daily basis to see results. So we start by measuring out the amount of cloves that we use. Again, all the measurements will be in the description box. For the sake of today's video, I used 1 tablespoon of cloves and I am going to be using 2 cups of water. After adding my cups of water, I am now going to go ahead and add my preservatives. This is because I do not want to forget, as I always say, and then you just leave it to infuse for a couple days. After about 1 week, this is what my clove water looks like, and that's exactly the color that you want. You can let it infuse for 2 days, 3 days, however long you want, but make sure you add preservatives. Okay, why do we use cloves? Cloves is used by almost everyone that is looking for their natural hair to grow both in length and in strength. Cloves is also known to fight dandruff and itchy scalp. This is why I always use this spray whenever I have the protective style in. It also reduces hair fall by strengthening the roots and improving your scalp health. It also helps regulate oil production, and this is very useful for those people that have greasy or flaky scalp. Things to keep in mind when using clove tea: make sure it's diluted. If it is not diluted, make sure you're using it only 2 to 3 times a week. Always perform a patch test to make sure you are not allergic to whatever it is. Okay, guys? Now, I am going to go ahead and finish straining my clove tea. Once I am done, I have transferred it into my spray bottle, and I am now going to go ahead and add the essential oils of my choice. For the sake of today's video, I am only going to be using peppermint oil because I just want to focus on the benefits of the cloves. After adding my oil, that's about it. I will store it in the fridge. If you have not added your preservatives up until this point, you should probably do that, so that way the spray will not go bad when you store it in the fridge. And then you go ahead and use it as much as you need. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.